To avoid snoring at night, you should not eat too much or too late because it will create pressure on the diaphragm. When you eat too much, the stomach expands, pushing the diaphragm up. This narrows the space for the lungs and throat, obstructing breathing and leading to snoring. Increase acid reflux. Eating late at night or eating a lot can cause acid reflux when lying down to sleep, causing inflammation of the throat lining and narrowing of the airways. Slow digestion, making the body more tired. Eating late makes the stomach still have to work while you sleep, causing sleep imbalance and reducing muscle tone in the throat, a factor that causes snoring. So to reduce snoring, you should not eat too much dinner and eat 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, and can choose easily digestible foods such as green vegetables, yogurt for better digestion and better sleep.